Hello everyone, so today we are back with another informative video, and this time we will let you know how do remarketing ads on Google works. So now for the remarketing ad to work, we first of all definitely need to make sure that we are implementing the remarketing scripts on the website. For the remarketing script, in order to work in the remarketing campaign, we need to have around 200 plus visitors in the audience for the remarketing for the campaign to start to show the ads properly. But the setup is the main thing that we need to focus on. For the setup, we can target the audiences based on your business. So for example, for some of the businesses, the audience size can be for 30 days, and for some of the businesses where they need the services almost instantly, like for the plumbers or for the electricians, for those kind of businesses the audience size can be for like 2 or 3 days or the maximum 7 days, because these are the emergency services and the visitor will not wait for so many days in order to get their services and get their things done. Rather than for the remarketing, when we use it for the longer days for these kind of services, the benefits will not be there. So for the remarketing ads, there are various things that we need to take care of. For example, when you just set up the remarketing ads with only the audience, your ad will be showing on the mobile apps. So now the ad showing on the mobile apps is the biggest waste of our spend. We definitely need to make sure that we are excluding the mobile apps, and that way the spend will be there on the relevant clicks only. If you are just not sure on how to do that, you can contact us through WhatsApp, and then we should be able to answer your queries and we can work along with you to get your campaign set up properly and do the management of those campaigns so that you can get proper results coming in. So now we need to go towards what type of ad that we should be using for the remarketing side of things. So now we can use the simple banner ads, which is in the JPG format or in the GIF format. We can also use the HTML5 ads. We can also do the remarketing for the YouTube side of things. For example, setting up the YouTube Instream or the Discovery ads, and then do the setup over there for the remarketing audiences only. That way you will be able to get those visitors who have visited the website but they have left the website without doing any call to action. We can re-show them the ads through the YouTube videos as well. For the e-commerce side of things, we can start doing the remarketing ads for those visitors who have visited the website but they have left the website from the add to cart page, and we can give them like get extra 5% off using a certain coupon code. That strategy worked really very well for us for the e-commerce clients. Also, we can do the remarketing ads by using the shopping side of things. We can run the Pmax campaign and target the remarketing audiences over there by adding the feed into that campaign, so that the dynamic remarketing ads can be shown for those visitors who have visited the website but they have not converted. So these are various ways by using which we can do the remarketing ads on Google. But the most important thing is the quality of the clicks. So we definitely need to make sure that we are just not wasting the money on the mobile apps, and that's how we should be able to get the conversions that we are looking for. So if you have any remarketing campaign running and you feel like you are just not getting the results that you are looking for, there can be some basic issues with those remarketing campaigns. You can contact us through WhatsApp and then through the website as well. We can get started with the free audit. In the audit, we will let you know whether your campaigns are set up using the best PPC practices and what else that you can do to get the results for your remarketing ads. Or if you do not have any ad running, then you can contact us through the website and the WhatsApp as well with the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting, and we should be able to let you know whether your website is eligible for the remarketing ads, and if it is eligible, then what are all the things that you can do to set up the remarketing campaigns properly and get some more conversions and take your business to the next level.